Tiger Leaping Gorge is the deepest gorge in the world. We visited Upper Tiger Leaping Gorge. A gigantic 13-meter rock lies in the narrow part of the river, flanked by steep cliffs. Legend says that the tiger jumped across the river at the narrowest point, hence the name. The river with waters raging passes through and beats the rock with shocking sound. This gorge is formed from the Jinja River and is the #1 gorge of the Yangtze River. If you do not want to walk, Chinese prepared elevator for you, so you can go easy. We were following the route that was used in the past for the tea trade between Yunnan and Tibet. We slept in the same Tima house as people in the past. The only difference is that now there is a beautiful swimming pool surrounded by mountains. Of course, I was swimming there. It was just perfect. After swimming in the mountains, sunsets in the mountains. Good morning, mountains. I am the first one here in the mountain. And look. But here is so clouded. Mountains are angry this morning. But this. Coffee. Good morning.
That's one. Really beautiful.
sleeping in the tent or the car? Really? Good idea. Breakfast on the mountain with children or part of one camp. Camp changes your life. That is the slogan. Chinese children in the morning work out.